Welcome to Florida in flip-flops. Hi guys, hello everybody again around the world. My name is Nicole. So today we're gonna see live a rocket launch at John F. Kennedy Space Center here in Florida. Are you with me? Yep. All right, but I have to tell you something very unexpected came up. So just watch the video. Hey guys, we're going to Cape Canaveral Space Center, yoo-hoo, to see a rocket going up to space. We'll hope to get some good pictures, great videos, so wish us luck. Looks like we're going into space here. We're gonna take off. Woohoo. Oh no, doesn't seem like. Going back down, guys. Oh, pretty.
That's NASA right there.
There is NASA. There we go. Yep. Here it is, NASA, guys. And there, from far away, you can see the John F. Kennedy Space Center. There's the Space Center. There it is. Space Center. So this is close to Cape Canaveral. Isn't that pretty? Very nice. We have seen a nice sunset. Beautiful bridge. People on their boat. Woo! Another beautiful boat. Que lindo! Did you catch something?
Catfish.
Catfish!
Yeah.
Woohoo! Awesome! Let's see where this is leading to. Ooh, under a bridge. Beautiful. Maybe we'll have another beautiful view on the other side. Ooh. Isn't that pretty? It's nice and warm. Oh, there's the Space Center. Here, look at these guys. The Trump people with the let me see if I can zoom them in. No, I can't zoom them in. Oh well, never mind. Oh yeah, they're going with their boats. So let's have a look what they're doing.
Hey, it's the crazy ones to get on it. Hey, just when it gets on there, leave it running until we get out of the water and you have to get out. Alright?
Wow, look at that. That was easy. That's pretty cool. Look at that. Woohoo! Awesome. Look at that. Have a good one, guys. He said have a good evening. Oh, is he cute? They're waving. See how people are friendly here. So guys, we're back here, close to the launch place. So guys, no launch tonight. My husband looked at the wrong date, so oh well. So we're enjoying the time out here instead of going right back home. We're always looking for a new adventure, right? We have a beautiful sunset here tonight. It's a pretty cool place. We already have met some fun people, you know, if you want to call it that way. So yeah, I'm sure we'll be back tomorrow for the lunch and much more. Woohoo!
We only got a few more hours.
Oh man! We'll see what happened.
Then we'll be stuck in impeachment again or some crap.
Yeah. I'm voting for Donald Trump. And look, he has no idea what he's talking about. And me either, guys. I have no clue. How cute. Just enjoying life at the beach. Fishing, talking, drinking beer. Now we'll see about the future. What is this guy doing here? Hey Lucy, you want to eat the fish?
They're out hiking.
Yeah.
Fishies.
Fishy, fishy, that's a huge one.
I catched it.
Yes. How is it smelly?
Come and eat the fish.
Ah, look at these guys. Crazy Americanos. Gringos. Look at that. Yeah, get in the mud. Get dirty. Come on. Look at these guys. Oh, it's so funny. There's some young kids. They're like, yeah, let's get nasty. Come on. Speed it up, baby. Speed it up, baby. Oh, look at these guys. Oh guys, isn't it pretty? We're taking off again, but not with the space shuttle. With our car. This is Titusville, guys. We're on the way back home. There was no launch today. Ha ha ha. What a great joke from my husband, right? But we had a good time. Just make the best out of every situation, guys. So this is the end of the video. Yes, there was no rocket launch, but guys, I still hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you will be with me for the next rocket launch that goes up in space. And I can promise you one thing. I personally will make sure it's gonna be the right day and the right time. Yoo-hoo! All right, see you very soon. Bye.